Hi beekeepers, Jenna here from Mann Lake. I am at the North American Honeybee Expo to bring to you the January Beekeepers Buzz for the North region. So in the north, it's cold. Where we're at in Minnesota, there's not a lot of snow on the ground yet. We did have a bit of a warm spell. I hope you got out and checked your hives when it was a little bit warmer. Remember, you don't have to open your hive to check it. As we went over in the December video, you can just go out and knock on the side of the hive and you'll hopefully hear them buzzing inside. And I did even notice on my hives that on one of those particularly warmer days, I had a couple bees coming out and doing a cleansing flight. So you can look for a cleansing flight as well. So that being said, again, January, don't open your hives. It's too cold. Just let them be. So what should you be doing in January? Things like this. Go to an expo somewhere. So if you missed out on the Honeybee Expo, I'm really sad we didn't see you here, but there is another one in Wisconsin, the Midwest Honeybee Expo, that's at the end of January. Go ahead and check it out. If not, there's a lot of classes this time of year, a lot of different events that you can find in your area that are all about beekeeping. So January is a really great time to just go ahead and learn. One thing that we've been getting a lot of questions this time of year, because it is packaged bee season, we are selling bees, is what kind of bee is good for me in my area? Now, if you're getting started, as a general rule, I always recommend Italians for beginners. They're just a nice, gentle breed. They're good honey producers. I really don't think you can go wrong with an Italian honeybee, regardless of where you're at in the country. Now, that being said, in the north region, we do have those harsh winters, and there are some breeds that are a little bit better for their overwintering ability. First is going to be the Saskatraz. So the Saskatraz is a queen that was bred up in Canada. So it was specifically bred to have that good overwintering ability. So Saskatraz is going to be a very, very good option for us in the northern climate. I think they were started with a Carniolan base, so they're not as aggressive. Now, if you are an experienced beekeeper, Russian bees can also be very good in the north, but just from my personal experience, they do tend to be a little hot sometimes. So if you're a new beekeeper, I would maybe stay away from that breed and go with the Saskatraz or the Italian. So again, just to wrap it up, January, don't open your hives. It's too cold. I know you're concerned about your bees and hoping that they make it through winter, but now is the time that you should just be learning, brushing up on your techniques and getting ready for the season that's coming up. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next month.